They're all floating. Alright, sorry the air conditioner's going, but it's getting dark. I'm gonna have to do this now. I just got home. I was out of town for a couple of days again, and it rained, it poured. Y'all saw that storm that went through. So I forgot our little almond breeze experiment over here. Probably overflowed, so let's go take a look at it. But let's take a quick look at, here's all our broccoli sprouts. So these are doing good. Let's go check this out. Oh, son of a bitch. I forgot. They're all floating. Well, they're not touching the water. They're still just floating up above. What I forgot to do was, whatever level I had it at here, I was going to drill a hole and make an overflow. And I forgot to do that before I left town. So right now I'm going to drill a hole right through there, about down in here somewhere. And I'll get a drain to put in there later, but right now I'm just going to drill a hole and take a razor blade and cut the plastic. You don't want to drill into the plastic, it'll twist up and tear it. So I'm going to cut a little hole with a razor blade and drill a hole through there and try to set these guys back up, because they look like they're coming along. Alright, let's go take care of this. Set everybody back up. All set back up. Now it's getting dark, real nasty out here. It's raining, it's sprinkling right now, but they're all set back up. But a couple of y'all gave me a good idea. You said to hold these down, weight them down with pebbles or with sand. Sand would be really cheap. Just take the plant out of there, pour about an inch or so of sand or fine pebbles in the bottom, and it'd probably weight it down. I didn't have time before I was going out of town, and now I got home. We had these storms coming through, so if I get some time in the next couple of days, I might do that. But now that I have that hole, it's not going to overflow. But I have to watch for when these evaporate and start going down a little bit. They might float up again. So I think I might go with sand. Alright, y'all take care. I'm going to get out of this nasty weather. Look at this. Awesome broccoli. Mint's coming back. This mint is almost a year old. Joy. These are all doing pretty good. Look at all this picture we got going on. Nice. Alright, don't forget, live to inspire. Keep on growing. Love y'all. Peace.